Welcome to day 3 of my day trading diary, where I share my watch list and analyze my trades for you to learn from. Today is the 9th of August 2023, as I wasn't been able to trade these past few days, and during these past few days the market kind of tested this 445 area as I expected. However, it didn't quite reach it completely, so I have to see and wait if the market counts this as a complete retest or if it's gonna go lower for a full retest. I kind of expect the market to retest this area today and then reach this 445 area completely in these coming days. As my watch list goes, I didn't find a lot that I like today. So let's go over them real quick. The first one is Dish, which after earnings report is gapping over these two huge candles, and I would be interesting to ride it to this 887 area if I get a signal. The next one might be my favorite idea of the day. It's Google, which had struggled to break through this 131.50 area, and now it's gapping over these past 3 days, and I would be interesting to ride it to this previous pivot. If we have a look at this 1 hour frame, it broke through this trend line. I can put it in like this and formed this nice little wedge here. So I might even trade it right off the open like this for like 2.1 R. So this might be the only trade I take today. I'm not sure yet. The third one is TH, which after earnings report as well is gapping over these two tops. And if it holds this area, I would be interesting to buy it and sell at this previous area of resistance. As for my short watch, I only have DKNG, which was on my short watch the last week somewhere here, and after earnings report it did some stuff up here, and now I would be interesting to trade it like my previous plan, hold this area of resistance with room to fill this gap, as everyone that bought up here is now trapped in a loss. So these are my watch lists for today, and I'm gonna see you after the market session. Alright guys, market is closed now, and we're still heading lower as we are approaching this 444 area. Before we jump into the trades I took, 5 minutes before the open, DKNG dropped even more, and I adapted my areas of interest, and I was looking for it to hold this pivot. And even though I think it has room to this 27 area, that would have been a really big range for one day. So my target was supposed to be this previous area of support and resistance. And if we have a look, I took one trade on DKNG, and I traded this 1 minute double top. Stop loss was right at 30. However, I got stopped out here, and I would have re-entered on this high volume 2 minute topping tail, which stop hunted me up here and grabbed the liquidity. However, I didn't get my order in time because it was just a few seconds. I wasn't quick enough, and that would have been, let's have a look. It wouldn't have quite reached my target, but I would have closed it like at the end of the day. Let's say 28.30, it would have been like 2.9 hour, which I missed, which is unfortunate. And the other trade I took was on Google. I did trade this breakout right at the open, which stopped me out as well, as the market was just too weak. So it's -2R for me. And these days are what's so challenging about day trading. If you are right about something in the end, but just miss out on the opportunity. And if we have a look at the other two ideas I had for the day, we have Dish, which didn't work out as it was very volatile in the open, and it never really was an opportunity for me to enter. And TH went crazy because of earnings. I mean, the gap was really nice, and I was right about it being bullish today. I had these $14 area in my mind, but I thought it's maybe a little too big of a range. But hey, these stocks can do magic after earnings. However, I was really wrong on the area, so there wasn't an opportunity for me to trade either. So yeah, it's -2R for today, but that's okay. As I said in the beginning, I didn't really like the market today and didn't really find a lot of ideas, so I kept my hands mostly still today, and tomorrow is gonna be another day.